playing with that towel. You're so silly. You're silly, Millie. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here's my hand. Like compared to her. Let's see video just so you can see. She's bigger than Willie was, I think. Oh, you are so cute. Hi. 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 I don't know how to pet bunnies. She said, like, they like it on the forehead, like from the nose to the ears. They find that soothing, but I don't really like to. I don't want to reach in and scare her. So
no, she's not aggressive, but she's alert.
Yeah, she is very alert. I mean, she came right over to see us. You know, when I lifted her bars. Oh my goodness. Miss Fang. Miss Cutie Pie. You are so cute. Now, do you know where she came from?
I don't. I believe the paperwork says that she was an owner surrender.
Mm.
And she's 9 months old, so she won't get much bigger than she is.
Yeah. You are so cute. You are so cute. Her eye is a little red. Does it look red? Like her right eye? Is that like...
Until she keeps turning the other way.
There you go.
Tail's not going to attack you. I promise.
Yeah, it looks a little red. Like she might have a little cut or something. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. You have little goat ears. Hey, Millie. Oh.
Hello, hello.
Oh. Hi, beautiful. Oh, she's so cute. Hi. Hi.